Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. Now today's video, before I start, if you guys are new to my channel, hi, let me introduce myself. I'm Elizabeth. I make curly hair videos, do a lot of reviews, first impressions, all that good stuff. So thanks for watching. But today's video is going to be about itchy scalp, products that I use to help relieve my itchy scalp and help soothe it, all that good stuff. So let's jump in. It's going to be a really quick video. Hopefully you guys are cool with that. I'm the type of person that I like to have a heavy hand with my hair products. I like to apply a lot the days after. That's something I'm trying to work on. And for that reason, I get a lot of buildup. I get a lot of dandruff on my scalp. My scalp is naturally dry to begin with, but doing a combination of those things doesn't really help out. So one thing I like to focus on in order to have like a clean scalp is to make sure I clarify it. Now one thing that I'm using is this product right here. It's the Derma-e Scalp Relief Shampoo. This gentle shampoo thoroughly cleanses and helps to alleviate symptoms associated with your dry, irritated scalp. It doesn't have to be this one specifically, but I'm just trying to show you guys some things that I use in my routine to help with it, to help with the dry scalp, itchy scalp, to help soothe it. But basically with a clarifying shampoo, it's going to help remove all the buildup in your scalp, because if you have a clean scalp, then your product just applies better, your hair doesn't feel itchy, it looks better, you don't have dandruff all over your shoulders. I don't know, it just, I really like a clarifying shampoo. That's one of my favorite parts in my curly hair routine. I love a good hair mask, but I really like a nice cleansing shampoo to help make everything nice and clean, and that way when I apply products, it applies awesome. Now if I notice that I have a lot of buildup and my scalp is just really flaky, I need to like kind of exfoliate it, kind of in a way, I'll just use a scalp scrub and gently, and I mean gently, just, you know, do this on my scalp. Now I don't do this all the time, but I just noticed that when I really need to exfoliate, I'll just do that very gently, or you can just do it with your fingers, either or. So that's the two things that I have to shampoo and just like massage my scalp with. This apple cider vinegar rinse, I had a video a long time ago talking about that. Do not watch it, I look crazy. But yeah, there's also apple cider there's also apple cider vinegar rinse. This product right here is that, and it's the Earthborn Organics. Now the main purpose of an apple cider vinegar rinse is to also clarify the hair. It helps with hair loss, it like balances your pH, antifungal, antibacterial, yeah, antibacterials, you get it. So that's what an apple cider vinegar rinse is mainly for. So this one specifically says to use after shampooing. So I also have in my hair routine, I have moisturizing shampoo. I don't only use clarifying shampoos. I do have a moisturizing one, but this video is only about clarifying stuff, things to help remove things. Yes, I am using it. I'm halfway done. It's just nice to have. Now, and if it's the one thing that I would recommend that you buy, is this product right here. So this is the main Krush Restore. I mentioned this a bunch of times, and it is the Restore, I just said it. It relieves itchy, flaky scalp. It balances your scalp pH, maintain a healthy scalp. This product, this is my second bottle of this, and I'm going to repurchase it. But I think that this is really beneficial in your hair routine, and this is the reason why I made this quick video. The other day I was getting ready for work and my head was a little bit itchy. I had this, shook it up, and it helps that it has a nozzle, so I just applied it to my hair and I just massaged it gently, and it really, you know, took care of the itchiness. It helped soothe it. And after I did that, I was like, yo, I should make a video about this and show some things to help with the itchy scalp, and really mention this product. So yeah, I think it's a good product. You can use it when your hair is wet before you apply like your styler, or you can use it as a nice pick-me-up. I use it as a combination of both, mainly as a nice pick-me-up. Right now I have like a little twist in my hair, so it can really get in between there, and I can just nicely massage it. I really do enjoy this product. It has really good ingredients in it. It's an online brand that I think you guys should look into. But yeah, the takeaway out of everything, I feel like this is really good to have in your hair routine for healthy hair. But the last product that I want to mention is a hair oil. This one is the Mylon, and it's the Scalp and Edge Nutrient Serum. Hope I'm saying Mylon. Hope I'm saying it right. It says that this all-natural Scalp and Edge Nutrient Serum stimulates and rejuvenates the scalp, eliminates flaking, dry scalp, itching, and dandruff. Keep the scalp excellent and refreshed. Also balances the sebum to provide growth. Now I have been using this a lot. I'm almost done. It's only 1 fluid ounce. It seems like there would be a lot in here, but anyways, I have like this much left. You can't really see, and this doesn't help. I've been using this on my scalp, and when I do notice that my hair is itchy, I would like to focus, like I'll wet my hair and then I'll apply a little bit of the oil, and it really just helps to like soothe the hair. That's pretty much all I want to mention in this video. I wanted to show you guys some products that I'm using in my hair routine to help like cleanse my hair, make sure it's nice and clean, help soothe my hair when it does feel itchy. So it's not a lot of stuff, because my routine is very simple. Some of these items I do switch up, but these are just some things that I feel like it's worth mentioning to you guys to let you know what's up. I don't know, but let me know down below what other products you use, or some techniques, home remedies that you use to help like cleanse your hair. Something that's gonna help, what am I looking for? Something that's gonna help like remove buildup, help with itchy scalp, help soothe your scalp. What are some homemade remedies that you guys like, or products that you guys recommend? Leave it down below. I'm always on the hunt for new things to help soothe my itchy scalp. I mean, you can't really have too many stuff. You can, but then you can't. But that's pretty much all I wanted to mention in this quick video. If you guys found that helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Peace out. Okay, I feel like I'm missing something. I don't think so. Okay, that's it. Bye. What am I? We'll never know. We'll never know. Okay, let's end it.